Typically, Android phones come with Google Play services and other Google apps pre-installed, constantly tracking your device. But take a close look at my phone. You won't find Google Play services or any related apps on it. Similarly, right now you might see some Google apps and services installed on this device. But watch this, I've removed every single one of them and make it secure and private. And no, I didn't root my phone or tablet. I did all of this without rooting. You can remove Google Play services from your own phone too, if that's what you want. If you're looking to make your phone more secure, Graphene OS is a fantastic option, but unfortunately, it isn't available for every phone. There are other ways to do this, but most of them are complicated and often require root access. Luckily, I found a tool that removes Google Play services with just a single click, and it can restore everything back if you ever change your mind. Now, you're probably wondering, if we remove Google Play services, what do we run instead, and where do we even get our apps from? Don't worry, there are plenty of open source, privacy first apps out there that work as solid alternatives. And don't worry, I'll share the exact alternative apps I personally use. So, if you're ready to make your phone more private, let's get started. But first things first, back up your important data. It's always a smart move before making changes like this. To begin, open your phone settings and head over to the About Phone section. Find the build number and tap on it 7 times. This will unlock developer options. Once that's enabled, go back to your system settings and open developer options. Scroll down through the menu, turn on USB debugging. Next, head to the repository linked in the description. It's completely open source and safe to use. Go to the releases section and scroll down until you see 3 download options: Windows, Mac, and Linux. Download whichever one matches your operating system, then extract the zip file once it's downloaded. Now, connect your phone to your computer and allow any permissions it asks for. The moment you launch the app, it'll automatically detect your phone. Click on Review and Plan, and you'll see a list of suggested items to remove, mainly Google Play Services related apps. You can also add anything else you'd like to remove. On the right side of your screen, you'll see your phone. Right now, Google Play Store and a few Google apps are probably still visible. To remove them safely, just type Confirm into the input box on screen. Before hitting the Remove button, make sure the backup option is turned on. That way, we can restore these apps anytime we want. Once you're ready, click Remove and you'll watch Google Play services and the Play Store disappear from your phone in real time. Right there on the screen, you'll see a success message pop up, which means Google Play services and the Play Store are officially gone. But you'll notice a few other Google apps are still hanging around. To remove those, click the search option inside the app and type the name of whatever app you want gone. It'll show up as you type. Select it, double check that backup is still enabled, and hit remove. Watch as that app disappears too. And same you can do for others' apps. And if you ever want those apps back, just click the backup button on the right side of the screen. You'll see a full list of everything you've removed, and you can pick and choose what to restore. Once you've made your selection, click Restore from top right corner and the apps will start coming back. You can watch them reappear right on the phone screen. Double check that everything's back where it should be, confirming the backup worked perfectly. So really, you can remove any app and bring it right back whenever you need to. Once you're done removing apps, you can find great alternatives through this repository. Links in the description below. It's got a huge list of open source, privacy focused apps for pretty much anything you need. As for what I personally use, it's an open source alternative to the Play Store that only hosts privacy first, open source apps. You can download anything from it just as easily as you would from the regular Play Store. And that's it for today's video. I really hope this helped you out. If it did, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing for more videos just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.